inciting hatred. I just want to ask him a question
About what?
about Tawheed.
Okay.
Is that hatred to ask you questions about Tawheed?
Yeah, I can.
Is it? Does anyone believe here that simply asking questions about Islam is an act of hatred? No! So why is Ali hiding behind that rhetoric?
He's Borat.
He's hiding behind that rhetoric because he knows that many of you are new to the corner and you don't know how the corner works and you don't know who the figures are. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. The great apologist for Islam, silent. How many times now have I tried to debate Ali Dawa about Tawheed? He doesn't want to do it.